I have just taken a shower. It's a weekend and we have made ourselves a iced coffee. It's nice. We are going to do a small Instamart haul again on this channel because I've ordered quite a few things and I'm going to give you an update about this last week because I have not posted, I guess, anything apart from this one short that was a part of my week, and this it's going to be a part of this video as well, and I'll tell you why. So let's do the Instamart haul first. मैंने सॉर्ट ऑफ वीक के हिसाब से सोच के ही मंगाया है चीज़ें ताकि द टिफ़िन आई टेक टू वर्क एंड एवरीथिंग इज सॉर्टेड एंड आई कुक प्रेटी सिंपल फूड बिकॉज you know it has time. So we are starting strong with greens, spinach. We have eggs. I really like, by the way, not sponsored, but I really want to give shout out to this brand Noise. The eggs from this brand, I don't know, I just believe that they are too good. जब से इन लोगों ने लॉन्च किए हैं अपने eggs and products online, especially eggs, I go for this brand. Then we have this double protein bread. बहुत हवा चल रही है, but it's a good thing. This is the double protein bread from brand Protein Chef, and I have not really tried this bread before, or maybe I have, but let's see how is it. It has literally 64 grams of protein in this loaf. So I'm gonna shut this window, but it's a good thing. मैं पूरे टाइम अपने बाल ठीक नहीं करते रह सकती in this video. वैसे भी I've washed my hair and they are pretty like not in the right state right now. It's called red amaranthus, this leafy vegetable again, because we need some greens, not greens, reds. Wow. We have some green chilies and we have some drumsticks, literally 2 drumsticks. Beetroots. मैं actually इसके पराठे बनाती हूँ and I really like beetroot parathe. Best thing to take in the tiffin when you have less time to cook. You can literally make beetroot paratha. We have paneer and I have got it from this brand called Country Delight. Pretty sure it's very famous. I don't know how is it. This is the first time I've gotten from this brand. 10 gram protein chas from the same brand, Country Delight. It's not sponsored. You know what? जब तक मैं अपने YouTube चैनल पे बोलने लग जाऊँ कि guys this video is sponsored, तब तक you all just consider that it's not sponsored. I wanted to try this chas, but मैं अभी coffee पी रही हूँ. Anyways, I'll try it later. And I'll let you all know how is it. This week has been pretty crazy. I have been cribbing बहुत टाइम से अभी कि मुझे मेरा स्केड्यूल ठीक करना है, मुझे वापस जल्दी उठना है. I want a routine in my life and I want a little bit of, you know, structure in my life because I was all over the place. कुछ मैं ठीक से नहीं कर रही थी and end of the day I was not just feeling it. ऐसे लग रहा था I'm just going through the day. There was nothing special. There was just nothing. This last week, we have started it. I'm waking up early. By early, I mean 5:30, 5:45, 6. Then we are meditating.
With an understanding of possibility, with a deep knowing that today truly can be whatever you desire it.
Can you believe that? I can't because मैंने पहले भी meditation start किया है. मुझे बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि तुझे meditation की ज़रूरत है. तो मैंने बहुत बार try किया है पहले to start meditating and I have done it, but I have done it like एक दिन किया है, 2 दिन किया है, and then I've just forgotten about it. But this time I am doing morning meditations. Like I'm waking up and the first thing in the morning I'm doing is meditation. And I can't tell you how happy I am about it. It's not, I don't know if it is doing much, but I'm really happy about it. Then we are journaling. I wouldn't say journaling, but I am sort of making a to-do list every morning. Sometimes I'm also planning it prior. Before going to bed, I write down कि मुझे next day क्या क्या करना है. टू डू लिस्ट का मतलब ये नहीं है मेरा कि ये काम खत्म करना है, वो काम खत्म करना है. नो नो, दिस टू डू लिस्ट इज़ प्योरली फॉर मी. मुझे किसी को जाके नहीं दिखाना है कि ये मेरा टू डू लिस्ट है, मैंने ये किया है. आई डोंट हैव टू शो इट टू एनीवन. आई हैव टू डू इट फॉर माई सेल्फ. देन आई एम मेकिंग लंच, I'm making tiffin, I'm making sure that my meals are sorted. अगर एक चीज़ डिफ़िकल्ट है अकेले रहने में इज़ फिगरिंग आउट कि क्या खाना है. मुझे अब भूख लग रही है, बट इतनी भी भूख नहीं लग रही है दैट आई गेट अप एंड आई कुक समथिंग. जब तक मेरी जान नहीं निकल जाती तब तक मैं बनाऊंगी नहीं खाना. मेरे स्केड्यूल के हिसाब से आई थिंक इट्स बेटर दैट आई कुक अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग. नाउ द टी एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, वी have started working out. By working out, I don't mean कि मैं रोज 45 minutes, 1 घंटा workout कर रही हूँ. No, actually not even close. I'm literally working out 20 minutes. I think 25 minutes is the max I have done. उससे ज़्यादा मैंने अभी तक नहीं किया है इस week में. And actually this is the key, you know. You don't over pressurize yourself when you're just getting started. करना है तो perfection के साथ करना है. You don't need to do that. Like you can just start with 5 minutes. If you're doing it every day, that is all matters. मुझे ऐसा लगता है that starting slow, starting easy, 20 minutes, at least the next day I will not feel कि 30 minutes is a lot. But when I think about 20 minutes, I feel like कि 20 minutes है, ऐसे ही चले रहेंगे. And it's pretty easy. Although the workouts are not easy, like I'm all drenched in sweat and I'm like full on gone. Honestly, I'm very happy that I have finally started working out. The only sad part about this is कि मैंने उसको properly shoot ही नहीं किया है. Like I have bits and pieces, like small clips from here and there of what I'm doing, but not entire structured video, which I'll try definitely to make probably coming week. I'll try and think how can I make it a bit structured so that I don't have to come up here and tell you कि मैंने ये किया, मैंने वो किया, मैंने ऐसे किया. I don't have to do that because मुझे अभी इस वीडियो में वो clips डालने पड़ेंगे. Yeah, that's it. That was the update. If you are doing this with me, let me know in the comment section. If you want more different types of videos from me, also let me know in the comment section. I would love to make videos on the topics you want me to make videos on. Do subscribe to my channel.